Wild West lift trucks here, showing you the Noble FE 3D40N. These have multiple weight capacities in the 3-wheel configuration. This is a 4,000 pound. It comes in a 3,000 pound as well. They will come standard with a triple stage mast and side shift left to right. They're plumbed with all the way to the carriage. Here are your attachment points for your fourth valve. If you wanted a fork spreader or a clamp or rotator, depending on what you guys did in your factory or warehouse, this can be accommodated for any application. These, it being 3-wheeled and solid pneumatic, makes it good for indoor and outdoor use, as well as an extremely tight turning radius compared to your standard 4-wheel forklift. The other standard feature on this truck would be the lithium battery, and you have the charge port right here. Simple plug and play right there, just like a little charge gun plugs in there, and when it's done, just put that all away nicely like that. Has a 2-hour rapid charge from 0 to 100% on the battery. It has opportunity charge, which allows you to use the forklift for a short time, a long time, and charge it for a small amount of time or for an entire charge cycle, depending on how your usage went. It doesn't matter as much as it used to with the lead acid batteries. It's just much more efficient, longer life. There's absolutely no watering with this system, which is fantastic. There we go. No watering, no acid to deal with. Everything is extremely clean and safe to operate. If you needed to change this battery out, just one simple plug right here, pull it out, pull these panels, swap it out. The battery comes with a 10-year, 20,000 hour warranty. Some other cool features that this comes with standard are these USB charger ports. So if you are running a warehousing system that uses a tablet and you need to charge it, or you could charge your phone, your walkie-talkies, radios. The forward and reverse control is right here. Forward, neutral, reverse. So your operator never has to take his hands off the controls. Standard light package, all LEDs with the strobe that is magnetic. If you hit this, it's able to just fall down instead of breaking and being out of commission. You can also throw it to the side if it's blinding anyone, or attach it somewhere else that it's more convenient for you and your operators. Got the brake lights, reverse lights. So this has a complete 360 turning radius. It does not skirt outside of its actual dimension. So the tires on this, the front 2 tires, they'll turn opposing to each other. With the sensors on the motor, if you go all the way right or all the way left, one will rotate forward and one will rotate reverse, allowing you to make a complete 360 turn. The LED screen is easily navigatable from the driver's seat. As soon as you turn it on, it'll light up. Shows your battery life, your miles per hour, forward or reverse, neutral, and it shows you your degrees of your wheel. Neutral, so that's right there. Straight, reverse, forward. These are all your warning lights. If you guys are in the market for any electric unit like this, stand up, sit down, propane, diesel, our entire line is available on our website. You can give us a call or go to our website and inquire about any of your warehouse or forklift needs.